Hi, my name is Patty Fernandez and I'm an art teacher. And for today's activity, we are going to see some samples of how to make two-dimensional art for kids. Now, what you have to realize is when you talk about two-dimensional art for kids, you're basically talking about anything that is flat. So it can be a cutout bear, it can be a turkey for Thanksgiving, it can be a drawing of a mission, it can be an American symbol, or it can be the explorers. So it really basically doesn't matter what the content is. What you're talking about is a piece of art that is flat. Equally so, it doesn't matter if you are using crayon or a cutout or marker or a combination of crayon and marker. It's all still two-dimensional art. My name is Patty Fernandez. Visit my website, pattyfernandezartist.com, and I'll see you later.